My name is Piotr Juszczyk. At Safran Transmissions Systems, located in Sędziszów Małopolski, I'm the maintenance manager. Our company, which is known for its expertise and dedication, our plant, manufactures transmissions that are used in the aviation industry for both Boeing and Airbus commercial passenger aircraft. Thanks to the lighting modernization, we were able to reduce our carbon dioxide emissions by about 240 tons per year. At the same time, we managed to achieve a significant cost reduction in electricity consumption of approximately 20%. Another major benefit of the modernization was the notable improvement in working comfort throughout the entire plant. Thanks to the Kasambi wireless control, which is operated on portable devices, we are able, in an easy, practical, and convenient way, to fine-tune the intensity and uniformity of the lighting to the conditions required by our production.